There are some settings that might be ruining your YouTube channel. As a small YouTuber, we usually put in extra work in everything we do. We design our thumbnails properly, our titles are well written, our description is well written. But after doing all these things, you don't still get views. So the thing is, there are some settings in your YouTube studio that might be ruining your views. They are limiting your views. So in this video, I'm going to be exposing them, and I'm going to be giving you the solutions to the problem, how to fix these settings. So make sure you watch this video till the very end if you want to stop being a small YouTuber. If you want your channel to blow up, watch this video till the very end. It is very, very necessary. So the first setting I'm going to be talking about is the upload default setting. Most creators don't even check this part at all. Most small creators, they don't even check it. So let me tell you guys something. When I newly started this channel, I was creating reaction videos, and when I was creating reaction videos, I went to my upload default settings tab, and I put in keywords related to reaction videos. So with time, I decided to change my niche from reacting to videos to CapCut tutorials and YouTube tutorials and YouTube tips for beginners. And the mistake I made was that I did not go back to that upload default setting and delete those reaction keywords, those reaction video keywords. I did not delete them. I left them like that. And anytime I upload a video, the YouTube algorithm will be confused because the keywords there are, reaction video keywords, but my video is about YouTube tips and CapCut tutorials. So the YouTube algorithm was confused. So as a small YouTuber, you need to go to your upload default and make sure that the keywords there are not old keywords. Make sure that the keywords there are related to your current video. Just make sure that the keywords are related to your new video or to your new niche, whatever you're doing. Make sure that the keywords there are related. It is very, very necessary that you check your upload defaults, because if you don't check it, it will be bad. The YouTube algorithm will not even understand what your video is about, and it won't even show like your videos in search. So, and your videos will also not be recommended. Make sure that you always check your upload defaults. Just go to your settings, and when you go to your settings, go to your upload defaults. You're going to see the description box there. Make sure that you put in keywords, new keywords that are related to your content, the kind of content you create. You can add in your socials as well, your social link. That is optional. Then make sure that the keywords there are related. YouTube will automatically register those keywords, and whenever you post your videos, the YouTube algorithm will know exactly how to show your videos because your keywords are there. The next setting that you have to check as a small YouTuber is your license setting. This is very, very necessary as a small YouTuber. So if your license is under Creative Commons, that means you're just giving people the power to re-upload your video, and they can upload it legally without even getting any copyright strike or claim. So make sure that you go to your settings, go to your upload default, go to advanced settings and click on license. Make sure that it is under standard YouTube license. That way, that shows that your video belongs to you and you alone. If anybody uses your video or re-uploads your video, they will get a copyright strike. That is the importance of this. Make sure that you check your license. It is very, very necessary as a small YouTuber, especially if you're just starting out. People can just be claiming your video, and trust me, they do. No matter how bad your video is, somebody might just take your videos and re-upload it as their own, and they will get views. And you that have the video, the original owner of the video, you will not even get any views. So try to make sure that your license is under standard YouTube license. That means that your video belongs to you, and anybody that uses your video will receive a copyright claim or copyright strike. The next setting that you have to check out as a small YouTuber is your allow embedding setting. This setting is very, very necessary, and you can find it whenever you want to upload your videos. And after you upload your videos, if this setting is off, you can no longer turn it on for that video. So you have to be very, very careful. So this setting, you have to turn it on. You have to turn it on as a small YouTuber. You need that traffic source. You need views. You need your videos to be out there. If it is off, blogs cannot embed your videos. Apps cannot embed it. Other websites cannot embed your videos. So if you turn it on, your videos can be seen on external websites. Your videos can be seen on Google. When somebody searches maybe a topic on Google, and Google wants to explain more about that topic, your video can be there. They can use your video and the person will watch your video. So you see, so you need that traffic. So make sure that if you want to upload your videos, go to that place where they have allow embedding and make sure that it is turned on. Do not turn it off. Leave it on so that your videos can be embedded by other other apps, other external website and all that. So just make sure that that setting is. The next setting that you have to check as a small YouTuber is your category. Some of you, your category is wrong. That is why you're not getting views. So make sure that your category is related to your video, related to the kind of niche you're in. Make sure that your category is related to the kind of niche you're in. Some people, they usually click on people and blogs. And people and blogs can be general, but there are so many niches out there, and YouTube needs to know the kind of niche you're into so that it will know who to recommend your videos to. If you're into gaming, vlogs, tech review, finance and all that, you have to go to your category tab and make sure that you select the category that best suits your video. Go to your upload defaults and go to advanced settings and scroll down to your category, and you can choose category that best explains your video. The next setting that you have to look at is not choosing made for kids correctly. If your videos are for children, make sure you indicate. If it's not for children, make sure you indicate it as well. If you accidentally indicate that your video is made for kids, that means that video won't be getting any comments, you won't be getting any personalized ads, you won't be getting any notification from that video, and the RPM from that video might just die with time. So make sure you're careful. Make sure that you're careful when you're choosing this setting, when you're indicating if it's for children or not. Make sure you're very, very careful, because if you're not careful, all those things will happen. The next setting I'm going to be talking about is not saving your upload presets. If you don't save your upload presets, that means anytime you want to upload a video, you will manually add your tags, you will manually add your description, your title, and everything that will make you visible on YouTube. You will add it manually, and this usually wastes time, and it will make you to be inconsistent. So try to create a full upload presets in your YouTube studio. On your upload default setting, go there and create a full upload preset, so that anytime you upload the video, everything will just be your tags, everything will just be filled in automatically. You just have to make some minor corrections in your description box. So whenever you do it, everything will just be fast and you will get better retention. So instead of manually uploading your tags every time you create a video and manually writing your description and all those things, why not go to your upload defaults and create a full upload preset for your videos? Everything will just be fast. The next thing that you have to do as a small YouTuber, especially if you're a YouTube beginner, you're just starting out on YouTube, make sure that you verify your YouTube channel. Make sure you verify your account on YouTube. How do you verify your account? Just go to youtube.com/verify, then you follow the steps. When you're able to verify yourself, you will be able to use advanced features on YouTube. You'll be able to create custom thumbnails for your channel. You'll be able to post community posts. You can pin comments. You can post long videos. You can post shorts as many times as you want. You can post videos that are up to 30 minutes long. So make sure you verify yourself so that you can be able to unlock all these advanced features for yourself. And the more you're unlocking these advanced features, the more you'll be able to do so many things on YouTube, so many things that others can't do. You'll be able to do it as a creator. So try to do it. The last setting I'm going to be talking about is the comments setting. As a small YouTuber, you need to listen very well for this. So that's comment setting. If you want to upload a video, you're going to see it down there where they will ask you if you want to if you want all the comments, or if you just want to filter some of the comments that have offensive words on them. My advice to you is to allow all comments, no matter what the comment is, whether it's offensive or not. You need that comment, you need that engagement. YouTube works with engagement, and when YouTube notices that people are commenting on your videos, it will be pushing your videos out so that others can also comment. So no matter what they say, no matter the kind of things they say to you in the comment section, you don't have to care about it. You only have to care about it if it is constructive criticism. Maybe something bad happened in your video, maybe there's something wrong in your video. So maybe the person can just go to the comments and voice it out there. You just have to listen to what the person said and correct yourself. That is the only thing you have to worry about. So make sure you allow all comments. If you properly utilize all the settings I've listed in this video, your channel might just blow up one day. Just trust me, it will blow up. I'm 100% sure that your channel will blow up as a small YouTuber. So just make sure you utilize the settings properly and everything will just go well for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you like. And please, if you have any questions, go to the comments and I'll be there. I'll reply your comments. And again, please, if you have a faceless channel, or maybe you're planning to create a faceless channel, I would advise you to watch this video end card showing on your screen. I'll see you guys in the next one.